Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to find a beard trimmer that promises precision, power, and convenience all in one, you're in for a closer look at something that's been turning heads in men's grooming circles. We're examining the Wahl USA Pro Series Forever Blade Cordless Beard Trimmer, a tool built for serious beard care with professional-grade features. And just to clarify, since this is a men's grooming product, my husband helped me with the testing today so we could give you an authentic experience. The trimmer itself comes with Wahl's Black Diamond hard carbon-coated blades, which are designed to stay cooler and provide a smoother cut than your standard blades. The near-zero gap design claims a cut that's up to 4 times closer than the first-generation Wahl trimmers, which immediately sets it apart for those looking for detailed shaping and clean lines. It also features a stainless steel body with a silicone grip, making it comfortable to hold while trimming wet or dry hair and giving a really tactile feel that prevents slips. In practical use, my husband found it incredibly easy to handle. The trimmer glided through different beard lengths without tugging, thanks in part to the sharp, precision-engineered blades. The versatility is enhanced by 7 guide combs, ranging from 1/16" to 1/2" and an adjustable 10-position comb for lengths between 2mm and 11mm. Whether you're looking for a stubble finish or a more defined beard style, it adapts well. The waterproof design was another bonus. Cleaning was simple, and trimming in the shower didn't feel cumbersome. One of the standout features is the battery life. With USB Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus technology, my husband enjoyed about 3.5 hours of continuous runtime, which, for a cordless trimmer, is impressive and makes it convenient for travel or long-term use without frequent recharging. On the pro side, the build quality feels premium. The stainless steel body paired with the silicone grip balances weight and control nicely. The blade performance is excellent, sharp, durable, and precise. Battery longevity is strong, and the waterproofing adds a layer of practicality that's often missing in other models. The inclusion of multiple guide combs provides real flexibility for different beard styles, which is a definite win for someone who likes to experiment with lengths and shapes. As for the cons, there were a few minor points. The trimmer is slightly heavier than some ultralight models, which could feel a bit cumbersome for very quick touch-ups. While the blade is durable, it will still require occasional oiling to maintain peak performance, something users need to keep in mind. And although the USB charging is convenient, it does mean you need to have the right cable on hand if you're traveling. In terms of value for money, this trimmer sits at a higher price point than basic models, but the professional-grade features, precision blades, long battery life, and full waterproofing justify the cost for anyone serious about grooming. When comparing it to other popular cordless beard trimmers, the Wahl Pro Series stands out for its close-cutting blades and professional salon pedigree, whereas other models may compromise on either battery life or blade sharpness. The build quality reflects Wahl's long-standing reputation in the industry since 1919. The stainless steel casing and durable components feel like they're designed to last. And even after repeated use, the trimmer maintains performance without noticeable wear. Customer support is generally well regarded. While we didn't need to reach out ourselves, Wahl has a history of responsive service for warranty or product inquiries. If you're looking for alternatives, lower-priced trimmers might work for casual beard maintenance, but may fall short on blade sharpness, battery life, or precision. In this case, the Wahl Pro Series delivers a professional experience worth the investment. In summary, the Wahl USA Pro Series Forever Blade Beard Trimmer impresses with its combination of precision, durability, and usability. It's ideal for men who want a close, clean cut without compromising on comfort or performance. The few minor drawbacks, like weight and the need for blade maintenance, are easily outweighed by its strengths. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this trimmer, drop a comment below and share your experience. You can find the link to purchase the product in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.